Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be on summer outfits with basics, so I really hope you enjoy these outfit ideas and let's get into it. So for my first look, I'm wearing a plain black t-shirt from ASOS tucked into a pair of shorts from Pretty Little Thing and my black Converse. I wanted to show a look with a basic black t-shirt because it's such a wardrobe staple and I thought that these flowy shorts worked perfectly with it. You could wear any patterned shorts or flowy ones or even a skirt you have and dress it up with your accessories, so I've just put on a gold necklace with it to finish it off. I'll leave links to everything I'm showing in this video in the description box like I always do if you want to check anything out. So for my next look, I'm starting out by wearing a plain black dress from Missguided, but then over the top I'm putting on a plain white t-shirt from River Island and tying it up at the front, and I just love how this looks. It's great if you need an extra layer if it isn't too hot outside. And you can also do this with any dress you have, it doesn't have to be a plain black one. So this time I'm putting the same t-shirt over this floral dress from Pretty Little Thing. I love the pattern on this, I just think it's so cute for summer. And it's a great tip to do to get different looks out of one dress too. Outfit 3, I've got on this grey oversized t-shirt dress from Missguided with a western belt from ASOS around the middle and my black Converse again. T-shirt dresses are so comfy and ideal for summer, and they're great because you can always tie them up or tuck them in and wear them with a pair of jeans too. And by having a belt around your waist, it just gives the t-shirt a bit more shape so it doesn't look like it's drowning you. Let me know which outfit is your favourite so far in the comments because I always love to hear what you think. For outfit number 4, I'm wearing a red striped t-shirt from Topshop with my black Levi's shorts and a pair of sandals. I just find a pair of shorts and a t-shirt such an easy go-to look for me, especially a slogan t-shirt. It's such a casual outfit, but it still looks like you've made a bit of effort at the same time, if that makes sense. I'm not sure exactly where I got these sandals from, so I'll try and find them. I'll link a similar pair in the description or a pair that I like because there's so many nice sandals out at the moment. I wish I could get them all, but I just can't. My next outfit, I'm wearing a plain white cami from Stradivarius, I think that's how you pronounce it, and tucked it into a denim skirt from Topshop. I've actually made a video all about different ways to style a denim skirt, so I'll leave a link to it at the end of this one. Also on kind of tying up your t-shirts and stuff too, because I know I wear that style a lot. But I just thought that the leopard print sandals dress the look up a bit, and I'm sure you'll have something similar to this top and skirt in your own wardrobe too, but you could always switch the skirt for shorts instead if you'd prefer that, or maybe even a pair of jeans. So this outfit is my favourite, I wear this look so much. So I'm wearing a black lace cami from H&M with a pair of Levi's shorts, Veja trainers, and then my black and white checked shirt over the top. I just love check shirts, they're such a wardrobe staple for me, and you can just throw them over the top of anything. Hopefully they still do this one, I'll leave a link to it or something similar in the description. But by wearing a simple cami and shorts and putting on a check shirt over the top, I just think it makes the outfit look a lot more interesting. And you could even tie this around your waist too. Finally, for my last look, I've got on a white shirt tied up at the front with the same Levi's shorts and Veja trainers. Wearing your white shirt with a pair of shorts and trainers really dresses the shirt down so you can style it casually, especially if you tie it up at the front too. And again, I'm just wearing the same gold necklace I showed earlier. I just love adding the accessories to really dress the look up for myself, so it makes it a bit more unique. So that is it, everyone. I really hope you liked this video and got some inspiration from it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, because it would mean so much to me to have your support. Have a great day as always, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.